How to change gender and DJI Mimo application. And okay guys, sir, in your mobile phone, go to DJI Mimo app. In DJI Mimo application, go to profile on the lower right side on your screen, tap profile. In profile, you can see here the profile picture. Okay, you'll have to do is tap this. And okay guys, you can see here the pencil icon. Okay, you can tap this. And now you can see the gender. So the gender is male. So if you want to change this, okay, you'll have to do is tap this. And you can see the option pop up below, and okay, you can change into male, female, or private. So for my example, I change into private the gender, and after you set or change, okay, you'll have to do tap the check button on the upper right side on your screen to save. And okay, update personal information success, and okay, we have successfully changed gender and DJI Mimo application. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.